Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to fix Western Union error code C1974. So if you see this error code, that means that basically there are a few reasons. So the first one is that the sender or receiver's name or address does not match the information on the transfer. The sender or receiver is not eligible to receive a transfer, or the transfer amount is too high or too low. The sender or receiver's country has restriction on money transfers and other reasons. So in order to make sure to fix this, you're gonna have to make sure that you basically meet all the requirements in order to send money on Western Union. So you're gonna have to make sure that the information is correct, the amount is correct, and you are sending in a country where there are no restriction on Western Union. Now, if you still have this problem, you can simply contact them at this number here. So if you want, you can pause the video and contact them at this number, and then they're gonna help you. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.